this retinue of quality Nigerians in this great party speaks volumes. And we have, the Board of Trustees has always been contended that the PDP shall not die. And this is manifesting itself now. I'm seeing our former governors here present, men of timber and caliber, National Working Committee, our great nominees, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Like I said earlier, honestly, I am overwhelmed. The God of PDP never sleeps and will never sleep. It is a great honor and privilege to stand before you today as we come together to witness the inauguration of new members from their respective states and zones to the Board of Trustees of our great party, the People's Democratic Party. In line with Section 32(1)(f) and G of the party's constitution as amended in 2027. This occasion is not only a celebration of new beginning, but also a reaffirmation of our collective commitment to the values and principles that define our party. Today, we are welcoming a distinguished group of individuals whose dedication, experience, and unwavering loyalty to the PDP have earned them a place on this prestigious board. Your appointment to the Board of Trustees is a call to service and a call to serve. A call to uphold the integrity, unity, and vision of our party as we continue to strive for a more prosperous and democratic Nigeria. As custodians of the party's conscience, the BOT plays a critical role in providing wise counsel, fostering stability, and ensuring that our decisions align with the core objectives of the PDP. Your role as members of the board is not only to guide and support the leadership of the party, but also to act and uncertainties. Today's inauguration is particularly significant as we prepare to navigate the evolving political landscape and work tirelessly to restore the PDP as the foremost party in Nigeria. The task ahead is demanding, but with unity, determination, and unwavering commitment to the principles of democracy, we shall overcome. To our new members, I urge you to remember that your presence on the board is not just a position of honor, but a position of responsibility. It is a call to serve with integrity, transparency, and an unwavering dedication to the collective good of our party and our nation. Let us continue to work together to uphold the vision of our founding fathers and to build a stronger, more inclusive, and more progressive PDP. Together, we shall lead our party to new heights of success and relevance in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you all for your attention. May God bless the People's Democratic Party.
Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, the BOT Secretary, Senator Ahmed McAfee. The BOT is the conscience of the party. The Constitution provides great responsibility, big responsibility for the BOT to guide the party, the great party, should I say, of Africa, not just Nigeria alone. We, the NWC, are just here as your chief servants. I can see the chief servant over there. We are here as your chief servants. We are here to serve you. We will rely on your advices. We rely on your guidance. We want to assure you of every necessary support that the party needs to provide for the smooth running of the BOT office. We will also expect a commensurate response from the BOT in supporting us to refocus and redirect the affairs of the party to what it's supposed to be. I want to congratulate the nominees. This is a thing of joy. This is a day of celebration for all of them. A day that many of us as well yearn to experience. We are looking forward to that time that all of us, members of the party at all levels, we grow up in this party to become members of BOT. We congratulate you and thank you for making the NWC part of this occasion. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Present the new board members. His Excellency, sir.
Very much alive. But be that as it may, I implore the newsmen here to do their very best to capture all the faces, here present. And once the board is alive, PDP is alive. I will go around later to welcome all our great leaders here, starting from my brother, Enugu Governor, down to Shekarau, to Ortom, and I'm so overwhelmed. I am very happy. I'm very happy that 2027 PDP shall rise again. Having said so, may I humbly, request that you please do the needful with item number 6.
The chairman of the BOT, if they were vetted and they are dealt with accordingly. So far, Mr. Chairman, we have received majority of nominations and some are on their way or are under process. And when ready, they will equally be invited to be inaugurated as we're inaugurating this. In Mr. Chairman's wisdom, he thought we should not wait until everything has come in and vetted, because there are critical meetings, NEC and other events. We should not deny majority of nominations that are coming from participating in party activities. So we should do this, and when the next one is...
If you're here, follow His Excellency Chief Lucky. His Excellency. And here is His Excellency. Alhaji Nasir Umar Roni, make your way. While Honorable Ladipo is of Ogun State.
With their letters, armed with their letters. So I, as the chairman of the Board of Trustees, we would like to invoke the powers conferred on me and the leadership of the board, in this case, distinguished Senator McAfee, to inaugurate and admit this other with PDP. And you can see all of us here beaming. We know what it takes to resolve our problems. And these eminent Nigerians, ladies and gentlemen, have been admitted into the Board of Trustees today to come and assist, to come and, impact their wisdom on us so that we'll be able to come out with success for finding time and for believing in the people, in the People's Democratic Party. God will give you strength, the wisdom, and the resources to continue to attend our meetings. We don't hold meetings regularly. We hold meetings, when necessary, in accordance with our constitution, and when challenges arise. So we are watching what is happening. Some people will say that the Board of Trustees is slow. We're not slow. We are being diplomatic. We don't want to rock the boat. We will always align with our governors, provided we are duly consulted. And those of us, thank God we have governors, former governors in our midst, who will continue to guide us. But I can assure you, ladies and gentlemen, and Nigerians, the followers, that PDP is not dead. PDP has risen, and PDP will win in 2027. Thank you so much, and congratulations once again.